Hi guys, everyone. Today I'll be showing you the fire reposing truck called Raptor fire reposing truck. But visit my website. I'll post it on my website. And well, this will be a short video, my other videos. And well done. And this I collected from my 9th birthday. Now I'm 10 years old. Oh, well, the fire repose truck's nice and axe and phone, a walkie-talkie, a fire extinguisher, a mug coffee next to fire, and a ladder, and basically, up to it's going to need to get. So, I want to see your comments not comments, messages and subscribe to my channel. Members from all around the globe will join me until it's time. Cut.